Hello friends. So today I'm going to share 5 stocks which will be good for swing and positional trading for upcoming weeks. And the first stock is RK Forge. So here you can see in the weekly chart we are seeing consolidation above. So first of all, it has broken out of this channel, this directional channel, which means the correction is over. And if I scroll, so this has moved. Before this correction it has moved a lot. You can see this has moved approximately 763%, where after which you can see there is huge consolidation going on. Now this consolidation is over, and by this stock has come out of this channel. So now it is consolidating above this horizontal resistance. This resistance is around this 196, approximately 200 to 192 8 rupees. Is the resistance zone here, and we can see on the, if I go to daily time frame, you will see it has been consolidated for now how many days, approximately 15 days. So 15 days it has been consolidating near the top. And if you see the volumes also, the volumes are also a bit on the higher end. Here on, you see this is the first candle which has a great volume, and then if this candle has a long wick, and you can see the rejections from coming from here, so it is getting ready for the up move. We just have to see if it is crossing this resistance zone, it might move up, it might go to, you know uh, once this crosses, this will face the resistance here around 213 rupees. So it can be considered as a swing trading and positional trading. If you are keeping it for a positional trading, you can go along with a very good amount of targets. Next stock is para cables. So para cables, I will show you on the, first of all, the monthly chart what it is happening to give it a clear picture. Here you can see the volatility has been contracting here. So you can see how the volatility has been contracting, and if we close above 17.65 here, the next resistance will be around 56, around something. Here you will see a bit of consolidation, and the resistance will be mainly around the 56 rupees, so which is approximately a good, if you see the growth is 213% here. So it's kind of a good deal, and then this will be completing around, the complete whole cup of a big cup and handle. This might be a say. So this is where we can keep an eye. This is the area to keep an eye here. If the stock is consolidating a bit and it is crossing with the huge volumes, we can see here, even in this, if I show you here, the volumes are on the upside. So any up move is accompanied with a huge volume, so it is very good. It is about to complete its VCP, and we can see it is going upside. Only thing to keep an eye is here around this 17.65 region, and you can see this was the first attempt where it tried to reach up, but again it failed with the huge wick on upside. With all the volume was good, but that the selling volume, so it fell down. Now it is going to try again. We have to see for a good volume and good candle closing here. Once this is closed, we can see an upside move. Let's move on to the third one, which is ITD cement. Now here also you can see the stock is forming a good pattern. It is trying to cross this resistance zone, which is like first time it has tried here, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is the fifth time, and the volumes here, the volumes has been great, and even on this candle the volume is great. We can consider it as almost broken out. It's just that it is not clear cut closing above the last high where it tried. So here the last high was 97.45, and it went above that 99.70 but came close to 95.25. So we will have to observe what kind of a price action happens here. It might go like this also, but then we can't control that. So the good entry will be when the stock consolidates a bit here, or maybe it is when it is pulling back from here around this zone. We can take an entry here, and then we can aim for 270. It will be a good amount of target. The fourth stock is the happiest mind. In the happiest mind also you can see the similar to what we saw in the first stock. Here the after huge up move, it has been consolidating for some time a bit now. So it was consolidating from July 2021, so that basically means a year now. It has been consolidating here, and you can see that it has broken out of the channel. The next resistance is around 1185. So it is, if it is closing above 1185, we can aim for 1354, 1536 and then all time high. And this, the way it has moved from here 308 to 1500. I'm expecting this move also, which will be almost equal to this or even more than that. We can safely assume that. Next move is the Arihant Superstar. So this is from the reality infrastructure sector, where you can see very good pattern here. You can see this is forming a cup and handle pattern here. Now the cup and handle, this is also trying to breach this with a good. Now the volume here, if you see, the volume is also picked up. The volume has picked up. The candles are big, good bodied candles. So it might start consolidating a bit here up more, maybe because of the broad index is going to correct next week, as we can see right now. So if it is crossing this, it will give you a good move. And based on the pattern, if you aim for the event, then that will be around here. The first target can be 286, 280, basically 280, 285, 286 will be the first target based on the height of this candle, and the next target will be the height of this cup. Okay, which is 11. That, I mean, that's too much for. So that can be for a positional trading. For a swing trading, we can assume for the we can target for 286, 285 rupees. So that's all for the. We'll come back again next week. Thank you.